Hello, gardeners. Proper fertilization is key to healthy zucchini plants and abundant fruit. In today's video, I'm sharing the best types of fertilizers to use and an ideal schedule to keep your plants productive. Zucchini benefits from a balanced, low-nitrogen fertilizer to promote fruiting over leafy growth. Look for a 5-10-10 or 4-8-6 fertilizer for the best results. Organic options like compost or aged manure are also fantastic because they provide a steady nutrient supply while improving soil health. Now, let's talk about when to apply fertilizer. Start by mixing fertilizer into the soil when planting. This gives the young plants a nutrient boost right from the start. Once the plants begin to flower, apply another round of fertilizer to support fruit development. For zucchinis in containers or raised beds, add a small amount every 3 to 4 weeks to ensure consistent nutrition. Here are a few tips for healthy growth. Always follow label instructions to prevent over-fertilization. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers, as they can cause excessive foliage instead of fruit. A little care goes a long way in supporting steady, healthy growth. With the right fertilizer and schedule, your zucchini will flourish and provide a great harvest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing!